Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I'm going to make this one kind of a long one. I debated whether to do this in 3 different videos or just one video and just timestamp it. So I think I'm just going to do one video for y'all. And if I can remember, hopefully, fingers crossed I remember, I'll timestamp each bag. But these are the June choice items for Ipsy. That's standard, plus, and ultimate. So, you know how it goes. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video. Was showing a possible future spoiler for BoxyCharm. This doesn't happen very often, but there were 3 comments that came in at the same time. Now of course you know it goes into a line. I'm going to show all 3, but the first one that YouTube showed as the first one was actually the one that I always have trouble pronouncing, and don't y'all make fun of me either, but I'm going to go for it. Well, thank you so much. Is it Fanky, Phan Kai? Did I do it right that time? Phan Kai Wang? Is it that? I hope I did it right that time, y'all. Dang it. I'm going to start looking this stuff up on that Google thing that actually says it so you know how to pronounce it. I don't know why I didn't do that first, but I did give it a go. Anyway, she says, try to be the first. Well, girl, you got it. And honey, I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Now, the other 2 comments, of course, was Five Flames and Tony Baby. Again, I had to show them, y'all. They come in. All 3 of their comments come in at exactly the same time. I watched them do it. But guys, I really appreciate y'all having your bell on. Thank you so much. I love y'all. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You can either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, these are the choice items. Now everybody probably already chose what they get, so if you would, let us know down in the comments what you chose. And for those of you that don't like to choose or didn't get to choose, well, these are the items that you might get. So first up, let's start with the standard June bag. Now again, you know my opinion about these bags. I said what I meant and I meant what I said. So let's go ahead and look at the choice items. First, we see the Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Voila. Next up is the First Aid Beauty, the Hello Fab Pore Speak On Matte Primer. Then we have the Malin and Goats Grapefruit Facial Cleanser. Then we have the Suntique I'm Pure Sicca Sun Cream. Then we have the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Clear Brow Gel. Then we have the KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. And then we have the Ofra Highlighters in the shades Soho or Covent Garden. I think that Covent Garden is like a pink color and the other one, Soho, is like a champagne color. Very beautiful. Next up is another Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. This one is in the shade Scarlet O'Hara. And then we have another one in the shade Stephanie Plum. Now guys, let's look at the plus. First of all, again, here is the bag. Now let's see the choice items for this one. First up is the Pure Elise Beauty Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. I got that one. Very good. Next up is the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Then we have the Ciate London Marbled Metals Eyeshadow in the shade Wicked. Then we have Good and Doc, I think that's what that says, Acne Control Blemish Spot Treatment. Then we have the Tula Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. This has got an SPF of 30 in it. Then we have that House Labs, the Lay Riot, I think, lip gloss in the shade, is that ethereal, something like that. Next up is the Beauty For Real. This is the High Def Mascara in the shade Just Black. Then we have another Ciate London Marbled Metal Eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Entwine. Then we have the Laura Geller Urban Garden Palette in the shades Central Park. And then last but certainly not least for that bag is the Pacific Fresh Herb Eye Cream. Now guys, let's go ahead and look at the Ultimate bag. Y'all already know, I ain't even going to say it again. Now let's look at the choice items for Ultimate. First up is the Ciate London Water Wand Mascara in the shade Black Magic. And then this one, what is that, Beyonce? I think that's how you say that. Probably not. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. This is the Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. Then we have the LaRousse Essentials Brush Set. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And then we have the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore with Coconut Water. And then we have this Huda Beauty Basic Bee Sponge. Then next up is the Ciate London. This is one of the dewy sticks in the shade Glow. Then we have the Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 hash, what is that? PA+++. I don't even know what that means, y'all. Next up is the Il Makiage Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in the shade Danger. And then last but certainly not least is the same thing, but it is in the shade Geisha. I think that's how you say that. Again, probably not. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. But anyways, guys, let me know what you chose for your choice item down in the comments. And again, if you didn't choose, if you don't like to choose, let me know what you're hoping to get. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Christy Lee. Christy says, "Hey, Mandy, love all your videos." Christy, honey, that just warms my heart. That makes me feel so good. Thank you so much, honey. I really appreciate you watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no reason at all and then tell me I don't have any. Well, yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but y'all are going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.